Number 9 says, a ladder that is 10 meters long is resting against a building. The bottom of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. So to the nearest tenth, how far up the wall does the ladder reach? So I like to draw a picture with this just to kind of give me an idea of what's going on. So I'm gonna draw my building in blue. So this is like the wall of the building. And then my ladder, I'm gonna put up next to it. So I'm gonna draw my ladder here. And it says it reaches, it is 10 meters long. So I'm gonna put a 10 there. And then it's also saying that it's, actually, let me redo this because my ladder needs to be a little bit farther out from my wall here. So let me do this again. So I have my building. I'm gonna draw my ladder. It's actually, I'm gonna put it out here. There we go, there's my ladder, and it's 10 meters long. And then it says the bottom of the ladder is 4 meters. So I know that the distance from the wall to the ladder is 4. Now, I'm looking for this over here. I'm looking for this spot right here from the ground to the top of the ladder. And I can look at this and go, oh, I see a right triangle. So I need to actually kind of work my way backwards because I'm given the hypotenuse, which is that side directly across from the right angle. So this is going to be my C. And then this can be, I'm going to change it to A, and this is B. So I'm going to use my Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And I'm going to plug in my numbers now. So A squared, I'm still trying to figure out. I don't know what A squared is. And actually, I'm looking for just A, not just A squared. B squared is 4, so 4 squared. And then my C is 10, so C squared. Just going to continue simplifying here. A squared plus 4 squared, or 4 times 4, gives me that. And that should actually be a 10 here. I keep getting myself confused. Equals 100. 10 squared, 10 times 10. Gives me that. So I'm going to subtract 16 now from both sides to get A by itself. Basic multi-step equation here. So I'm left with, I'm going to come over here now. I'm left with A squared equals whatever, 100 minus 16, which is 84. Now, I'm not looking for A squared. I'm not done. I'm looking for A. So to undo a square, I need to square root both sides. So these cancel out. I'm left with A, and I need to go to the nearest 10. So I'm going to get my calculator, do square root of 84, which gives me 9. We need to go to the 10th. So the first number, I get 9.16, but I can only have one number after the decimal because it's asking for a 10th. So because I have a 6 after my 1, this turns into A equals 9.2. And that will be your final answer. Don't forget your label, which is also meters.